Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jan from Africa, but currently living in China. So this was me on my way going to the store to buy my electric bike. Yeah, and this was yesterday after work. Yesterday evening after work. Hope you can see me. Guys, this store is really big. It has a part of the supermarket whereby you can buy grocery. Then there is another part where you can buy electric bikes, just like you're going to see in this video. Yes, you all know that we are in winter, so the weather is really bad. Yeah, but anyway, we have to keep it going. I passed by this section to buy some neck pillows and some socks plus gloves because they don't provide them to us when we are at work, and I remember I'd forgotten mine at home. Yes, guys, I also bought some snacks, just like you see in this video. China has different things, guys. I always find something new every day. Yeah, there are some snacks that I bought yesterday in this mall, but then I was surprised because the time I've been living in China, I'd never seen it. Anyway, guys, I just love China. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So this was me when this was me when I had just parked my car after buying it. It is not a car, but it's just an electric bike. Just you can see it in the video when I'm riding it. Yes, so I told my friend to film me. Then she got tired. That's the bike, guys. That's the motorcycle. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not a motorcycle. That's the bike. The motorbike. It is electric, eh? You can just charge it. Then in front there is a place where you can put your phone, eh? Only that I didn't show it to you very well, guys. But there is a place where I always insert my phone. Just in case I want to trace my location, like if I want to go to Hufei, there is a place where I hang out from with my friends during this winter season. I just put my phone in front. Then I ride my bike according to the location. Guys, I love it. See my smile. Love it. I love this bike. It is really flexible. Anyone can ride it, actually. It is the one that I'm going to be using every day when I'm going for work. Guys, enjoy the video to the end. I love you all. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Zaijian.